LuxAlgo's Evasive SuperTrend Indicator is designed to read trend direction while reducing some of the noise that can affect a standard supertrend. The main idea is simple. A regular supertrend can flip when price gets too close to its volatility band. This version tries to give the trend more room when price action becomes choppy. The indicator is still built around trend and volatility. It uses average true range to calculate the band distance, then places the line above or below price depending on the active trend. When the line is below price, the market is being read as bullish. When the line is above price, the market is being read as bearish. The difference is in the evasive behavior. When price gets too close to the supertrend band, the indicator treats that area as a noise zone. Instead of keeping the band in place and risking an early trend flip, the band moves further away from price. This is designed to reduce premature changes during consolidation or uneven price action. The line style helps explain what is happening. A solid line shows the normal trend-following phase, where price is keeping a healthier distance from the band. A dotted line shows that the evasive mode is active. In that phase, the indicator is adjusting the band away from price because the market is moving too close to the threshold. The bull and bear labels mark confirmed trend changes. A bull label appears when price has pushed above the adaptive band strongly enough to shift the trend back to bullish. A bear label appears when price breaks below the adaptive band and the trend shifts bearish. Because the band can move away during noisy conditions, these labels are designed to appear only when price has moved beyond the adjusted volatility threshold. The settings control how sensitive the indicator becomes. The average true range length changes how much volatility history is used in the calculation. A shorter length reacts faster but may be more sensitive to short-term movement. A longer length smooths the reading but may react more slowly. The base multiplier controls the initial distance of the band from price. A higher multiplier generally creates fewer trend changes, while a lower multiplier makes the indicator more responsive. The noise threshold and expansion alpha are the key settings that make this version different. The noise threshold defines how close price can get to the band before the evasive logic activates. The expansion alpha controls how far the band moves away when that noise is detected. Higher values make the indicator more resistant to trend changes, while lower values allow it to react more easily. The main limitation is that this added noise protection can also delay some signals. By giving the trend more room, the indicator may avoid weak flips, but it may also respond later when a genuine reversal begins. It can help filter choppy movement, but it does not remove the need to read market structure. In summary, LuxAlgo's Evasive SuperTrend is a trend-following tool with an adaptive noise filter. It helps show the active trend, identifies when price is moving too close to the volatility band, and marks trend shifts when price breaks beyond the adjusted level. Used with support and resistance, momentum, and broader price structure, it can add useful context without being treated as a standalone signal.